Hey there, I'm Tim Ung, and today I'll show you how I design and 3D print a planter inspired by a rocket ship. To design this project, I used a software called Rhinoceros and used the lines and splines tools to draw profiles of both the body and boosters of the rocket. I also drew a circle for the drip tray. With the profiles designed, I used the revolve tool and rotated them 360 degrees to create a solid 3D form. To replicate the boosters, I mirrored it in 90-degree increments to get a total of 3 at the base of the planter. For the drip tray, I extruded the circle 1/16 of an inch. Then, I extruded the 2 circles 1/4 of an inch to create the walls to prevent water from spilling over. Using the Boolean union function, I joined the shapes together. I organized each model in separate layers and exported them as STL files. Using Prusa slicing software, I exported the G-code for the separate prints. I loaded the filament into my 3D printer, inserted the SD card with the G-codes, and started the 3D print. If you're enjoying this video, remember to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one. With the components printed, I aligned the 2 points at the top of the rocket boosters with the small holes at the bottom of the planter and pushed them into place. I transfer soil and my tiger lily plant into its new home, and the project is complete. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you again next week.